What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to show you how to change a license plate light on a Dodge Ram. This is a 2020 Ram Classic here, but it will be the same on a few different years. So there's two license plate lights, one on either side. We have one here and one here, one on either side of the license plate. And to change them, we're actually going to do that from up underneath the vehicle. So if we crawl under here, we're gonna see one of them right here. That's what this item right here is. So to get that out of there, we're gonna turn that about a quarter of a turn to the left, and it'll come out like that. And then to get the bulb out, you'll just pull it straight out like that. So once you have your new one, you can push it back in. And whenever you're handling these kind of bulbs, I always recommend giving them a wipe down after you touch them, just to get any dirt or grease from your fingers off. So we'll give that a little bit of a wipe down, and then to reinstall it, we'll put it back in that hole, and then just again, rotate it about a quarter of a turn or so, this time to the right. And that's it. It'll be the same for the other side if you need to do both. So pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.